This question is Divisor game. So Alexis and Bob playing a game. So you just have to follow this constraint. So this question is definitely a math problem. So let's say that if n equal to 3, so which is odd number, and you have to definitely have to subtract by a value that not x is actually equal to 0. So the most easy one is what? 1. So the value is actually equal to 1. 3 divided by 1 is actually 2. And then 3 mod 1 is also 0, right? So you can actually divide by subtract by 1, right? And then you have to replace the number n on the chalkboard with n minus x, right? So which is 2. So this is Alexis made a move first, right? Alexis made a move. So now let's go back to Bob. So Bob is going to be 2 minus 1, which is even. This is even. So this is going to be 1. And then, okay, my value is actually 1, right? So 2 minus 1 is actually 1 because 2 mod 1 is actually equal to 0, right? So now Bob turn finished, right? This is Bob turn. But what happens if you want to go back to Alexis turn? You have to know 0 has to less than equal to x less than n, right? So right now the n is actually equal to what? N is actually equal to 1 already. You cannot make any move. You cannot make any move, right? So Alexis lost, right? So using the same logic, if Alexis starting from even number, and Bob starting from odd number, Bob will lose. Alexis will win, right? So basically, this is super simple. It's going to be returned mod 2 equal to 0. And believe it or not, this is about math. And if you don't know, then don't worry about it. So this guy's actually explaining pretty well. And this is definitely not on the interview for sure. So so this guy explained if n is even, if n is odd, and then you will have the losing and winning for each possible outcome, right? So it's definitely a mod 2. And let's talk about time and space. So let me submit. All right, so let's talk about time and space. For time, this is going to be constant, space, constant. So this is the solution, and I will see you next time. Bye.